right, so this is a small to-do app, and this to-do app is just going to enable the user to input tasks or things he or she wants to do any time of the day. So I'm using this to learn more about JavaScript. I mean the fundamentals of JavaScript, the basic and core principles of JavaScript. So I built a main HTML page and an index HTML page. Now this main HTML page, each work is to load the main content of this project. It could load the to-do app. But then this index, the work is to load also. But the type of loading I'm talking about is going to kind of be spinning around and to keep the user busy with the UI, so that the user won't, go out of the page because of much traffic or because of slow network. So let me tell you guys what I mean. When I go to this index, as you can see here, it's just the normal code. Your app is loading, so it's just kind of telling the user that this app is loading. So I'm going to go live. So this is what I mean. You see, this spinning, this loading, and it loads this. So let me split this screen into two so that so this is just how this app is. Now it has redirected the user to this main page. And the code responsible for this is this code here. So in my loader.js, I just used a set timeout function, and in this set timeout function, I used the method, the window method, window.progression.check, and then I referenced this my main HTML here. I referenced it to this page, and I give it 3,000 milliseconds. So once it's 3,000 milliseconds, this page will now redirect to this main page, and it will now show what this project is all about. So that's what this loader.js is doing here. All right. So this is it, and it's responsive to. I just did it in mobile first, though I didn't actually do a laptop. The laptop responsiveness, because the layout is almost nice and laptop, so I just left it like that. So when I activate this on a mobile, this is an iPhone 13 Pro Max simulation or simulator. So this is just how it looks like. But for the sake of this video, I will make it to be much more bigger so that we can see what I'm trying to explain. All right, so this to do is just do it. So you're going to write a to do. Let me say today I'm going to buy a cookie. So I'm going to buy a cookie. I can either click on add, or I can click on my enter button. Either way to add. So I just click on add. They say your task will be saved. I click on OK. So as you can see, the number 6 here is buy a cookie. So when I'm done with this project, I can click on this, and it will gray out. It will gray out to tell me that, okay, this task has been done, or I'm done with this project. Though this thing is not really perfect, but this is just the simple things I've learned so far from JavaScript. And I can actually ungrade it or bring it back from not being complete. And I can edit it actually. When I click on this, buy a cookie and buy let me say a Fanta, a drink, then I click on OK. So you can see that it has edited to this. I buy a cookie and I buy a Fanta. And I can also click on delete if I no longer want it. I click on the delete icon, and it asks me, are you sure you want to delete these tags? If I press cancel, it will remain. If I press OK, it will delete. So it has been deleted. So that's just it. Another small feature I added in this project is the dark mode and the light mode. So as you can see, this is like a sunny icon. It's a sunny icon, like a light icon. So this means that this is the dark mode, the default mode for this app. So when I click on this, it will go to the light mode, and it will now give us the moonlight icon. So I click on this. So this is the light mode here. And you can see this is the mode, which means when you click it, you go back, it will revert back to the dark mode. When I click it, it go back to the dark mode. So that's just how it works. And this hamburger menu here is half hamburger menu. When I click on this menu, it's going to bring to me the to-do history. That's just the to-do that I have. I have five of them. And one thing you'll notice is here, you're choosing bullets instead of numbers. That's just because I use UL. I use UL, another list. While when you look at this, it's giving me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm using OL, other list. So that's just it. So when I click on this, let's say that this to-do history is maybe like 20 or 30, 50. You know, it will cover this page and it will make me to be scrolling. But then just because it's 5, it just hang here. So let me search for eat my food. Let me say eat my food is maybe somewhere around 50 or 60, and I don't want to scroll all the way down. So if you input the word eat, so you can see it will bring out the specific to-do history or tasks that you have placed here already. So you can either, mark it as complete. When you mark it as complete, you can see it is completed. You can try to edit it, or you can try to delete it. So this is just how this thing works. So this it here, you can see it is still here persisting. You can just click here to cancel it. When you click here, it cancels, and this is a placeholder to search for purpose. So that's just what I learned about JavaScript this past week. I learned about events listening, add an event listener. I learned about persistence. Yeah, talking about persistence, when it lightens up and I refresh it, we're going to persist. We're going to persist because I save it on the local storage. So that's one of the few things I learned. And I learned about DOM. I learned how the DOM works, and I learned how to use my console to find out what is really going on. It was really a nice project for me. As you can see, I arranged my JavaScript in a folder for every menu to handle one specific task. This menu here is responsible for this hamburger menu right here, as you can see. And this team is responsible for the background color, the light and the dark mode. This to-do.js is the main functionality of this app, which is to do. So that's just it. And I learned about CSS also, with style and everything. So this is my small simple app, Jared's to do app. So I'll be hoping to build more better app than this, and I'll be hoping to learn more about JavaScript and build more complex apps, or maybe add more features to this app in the coming days and the coming future. So that's just it. Thank you very much. Bye.